Bitcoin on the rise. You want to know everything about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. Today, we are happy because the greed is back in the market. We have Bitcoin up 25% in the last 14 days, and that is good. Bitcoin just broke 66,250, and we are on our way to retirement, hopefully so. You can see here the chart with trading view link in the description below, and we are above $66,000, which is awesome. We have some resistance point and support here and there, but mostly people are optimistic right now once we broke the $65,000 resistance. And remember now that we told you maybe this July that the started awful could end in a true double-digit profit, as it happened in the past. We told you everything about that in this video, so watch it if you missed it. And right now we are almost 5% up in the monthly, so we'll see if July finally is a positive one. Also, Red Capital telling us here that Bitcoin is going back to this range between $65,000 and $71,000 that we were here and there in the past. So also here we have this trend, this line, the red one, and the bounces that maybe according to Titan of Crypto are going to be story of Bitcoin right now, going up from here to new highs. And Germany, they are sad. Since Germany finished selling their Bitcoin, price has increased almost 13%. So sad, and everybody's laughing at Germany's government right now. Even there, they have this Bitcoin logo in the highest tower on Germany. So interesting. Also, you have here this website where we follow that address from German government, and people sending money there. They have now $429. So yeah, people making fun of their government, as we do in Spain, because also we have zero. Well, they have at least 400, we have zero. You can see here we have the daily close higher since May, which is awesome news for Bitcoin. And also we crossed the average daily moving of 200. What happened the last time? We had something like this. Well, we went up all the way to 170% positive return. And right now, if we do the same, well, we'll go to $150,000, which would be awesome. How long did it take it to go to that 170% rise? Well, it took 150 days approximately. So if we do the same right now, that would mean that at some point in December 2024, we're going to be at that point. You have good news today with us. Remember to smash the like button. For example, here, the ETFs, you see, those are going up. We have, for the longest period, some inflows there, 3 days in a row, and more than that, almost more than a week now of inflows on BlackRock and all the others. And Bloomberg's Eric Machuna, he said there, that year to date, the net total inflows for the Bitcoin ETFs, they have in their most important statistic 16 billion for the first time. Our 12-month estimate was 12 to 15 billion, so we already surpassed that with 6 months to go. It's crazy how many money is coming into those ETFs, even though we might have some bad days. But we have more good news today on Crypto News. China, allegedly, according to this tweet, they started printing money. United States also, Jerome Powell saying that maybe in September we have it. So yeah, money in the market would mean stock market going up, Bitcoin going up. Even we have this rumor out there that maybe China will unban Bitcoin in late 2024. If we had that piece of information, everything is going to be awesome. Gold is at an all-time high, and the stock market is at all-time high. So it's time for Bitcoin to send it, maybe just following the fractal that gold has. Why not? You have here the scenario that Bitcoin might have if we follow the gold's price. And you have here and there in media, everybody talking about Bitcoin. Here, for example, on Fox Business, they told us like Bitcoin is 315,000% since 2013. So we laugh at gold performance, of course. And we had Larry Fink with Kramer on CNBC. We don't know if this is good or bad, but he said that he was skeptic on Bitcoin, but he studied it, and now he says that his opinion 5 years ago was wrong. So it is okay saying he was wrong and embracing Bitcoin right now. Also remember that Dell CEO said that it's fascinating that BlackRock CEO Larry Fink announced he is a major believer in Bitcoin. So mostly everybody's saying good things about Bitcoin, even the president-to-be, Donald Trump, that is going to be speaking at Bitcoin 2024 conference in Nashville. We're going to have there the president-to-be, also Robert F. Kennedy Jr., Cathy Wood, Michael Saylor, Edward Snowden, Vivek Ramaswamy. Awesome venue up there. And he will tell us there about the vice president-to-be, if he wins, this guy. And this guy, G.D. Vance, he is a pro-Bitcoiner. He owns Bitcoin. He wants Bitcoin and crypto. And more than that, he doesn't like Gary Gensler, president of the SEC right now. So if he's in, Gary Gensler is out. We have the guy here. I'm going to leave the link in the description below, talking trash about Gary Gensler. So good to know this might happen. And we have footage about the moon after Trump wins. You can see it turned a little Bitcoiner. Also consider the alternative and people in government right now. Senator Mendez, who said Bitcoin is ideal choice for criminals, was convicted for taking bribes in gold and cash. So yeah, the hypocrisy we have out there. And more good news. Payment Digital Stripe is going to allow Europeans to buy Bitcoin and crypto using their credit or debit cards. We have here also an example of adoption. Like in Netherlands, they are using Bitcoin mining to keep stable temperatures inside the greenhouse. Good even for the climate change, of course. So that's why we are really in the market. But we have also some bad news. First, a good one. Dollar is going down, one of the most important ones. But then we have here homework to do on the CME gaps. Still open at 58,700. And remember, I told you in the last video, you have to watch it, the last crypto news, that we might go all the way right now at just to the minute to 44,670. Watch the video if you want to know more about this, and watch the dedicated video we have to the Treasure Safe 5 because it's awesome. You don't have yet your Treasure Safe 5. Why not? Leave a comment below, use the link in the description below, and buy one just right now. Be a hero, like this guy is saying Donald Trump is. He was at the conference with this thing in the ear. So funny, no agenda told us this was going to happen. Maybe this guy is going to push Bitcoin to 100K. We want to watch that. It's just 111 days away to election day, and we are doing different path from the election years in 2020, 2016. Very positive, the difference right now. So yeah, again, maybe because of that, remember, we are telling you today we might go to above 100K with Bitcoin. The election year chart we have will bring us there. And today's chart about moving averages would bring us there too. What should you fear? Well, empty gox. We have no more Bitcoin from German government in the market, but now we still wait for empty gox to distribute the Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. This might affect the market, of course. Be careful out there. We are watching some addresses that we believe those are related with empty gox. And we will tell you here, of course, on Fan on the Right Crypto News with Rodrigo Arnedo. You have social media, you have all the links in the description below, so you'll be the first in knowing everything about this. But for some good news, Red Capital telling us that we are back in the range if we consider the 4-year cycle and the halving. And also Metaplanet just buying more Bitcoin as Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy. This is AI, not related with this. But this reminds me that I have to record right now another video about AI, the words that we can create there, and then text. Awesome stuff. You want to know about this? Go to my AI channel and you'll know. But right now, for more art related with crypto, here from Bob Lucas, the 4-year cycle, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 almost in the green, and we are now in the 4th in the green for the cycle. So hopefully we have more good candles in the green. Here also Nesta telling us that we are entering a 2017 style post-halving parabolic run, banana run, would be awesome. And Titan of Crypto also wants to tell us today that Bitcoin can go above 100K with this cap and handle pattern. It would be amazing, but not just for Bitcoin, also for Ethereum that just hit 3,500. We are happy we broke some important lines, but now we need to break also this resistance here that we have in July 2024, the first. Consider that maybe this can happen as soon as next week, as we might have the Ethereum ETF approval in the United States. Any case, consider this as a very, very important piece of information, but also remember that when we had the approval of the Bitcoin ETF, price of Bitcoin went down, and we had to wait several days before it started to go up again. Any case, we have another all-time high for Ethereum, a very interesting one. The ecosystem continues to scale, now processes over 300 transactions per second. So very, very interesting adoption. Worldcoin going up today in the bubbles. And remember that Bitcoin and altcoins move like this almost perfectly at the same times. And you can know everything about that with our favorite tool out there, dextools.io. You have their memes, you have their 5 Donald Trump cryptocurrencies, you can create your own tokens, etc., etc. We have Pepe with new highs, which is awesome. And you need to know that 13 September 2024, we are going to be with Frederic Fernandez, one of Dextools.io creators, on Blog Galicia. So I'm gonna tell you everything about that in future videos. But right now we have on Instagram some information. Where are we going to meet and when, and also some of the people that will speak there. And so many others will be announced soon enough. Maybe even Donald Trump, the president, will be there. Well, will be. So if you want to join us, you are welcome. And remember that with dextools.io, you can know about tokens like the fan token for Spanish soccer team, or also you can know about this Mbappe, the player of Real Madrid, or what is this about. But you have there all those tokens and all the information. So you are a little bit safer with this. Also, you have the information. Information is power. As you need to know that Cardano is up for the hard fork, everything cool. We'll tell you more about that. But just Cardano keeps on improving and we keep on validating. Just an hour ago, we had the new block and we had one 6 days ago. So if you want to help us, come with us to the pool Fanon. Thank you very much. Remember also to use the crypto card from our partner, Bybit card, where you have 15 euros with the link in the description below, and also cashback anytime you use it this summer for your personal shopping or your beers or your ice cream or anything you buy. I use USDT, so I have no trouble. And of course, I record everything with our other partner, Coin Tracking. Link in the description below is the best portfolio tracker out there. And then also you can do your tax report with a 10% discount if you use the link in the description below. Our friend in the demo account keeps having more than $158 million in the platform. And what about this cat from Coinbase and this date? What's going on? We'll tell you in the future as soon as we know. And this cat was caught trying to steal your Bitcoin. I want my Bitcoin. No, you do have to give it back. What about this guy this summer? Not in very good shape, eating ice cream all the time and a lot of beer. So be careful out there. as you enjoy. And do not get too crazy like this cat is because of the market conditions. Just keep on learning, maybe about AI. Today I'm recording the new video, as I told you. If you want to learn more about crypto, of course, one of the 1,800 and plus videos we created here for you. Always free, Crypto News, Rodrigo Arnedo, fun on the ride, health, money, love, pouring peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!